nature is very kind and systematic to us. If it releases the most digesting enzyme pepsin in the stomach, it is not released in the active state. Why? Because the main concern is our protection, the protection of our structures, because it can digest our stomach. So it is activated where it is needed to be activated. Same like the case with the sperm. Sperm is not in the active state when it is in the male genital structures, but it is made active when it is ejaculated in the female structures, female reproductive structures. So there is the sperm maturation occurs. Sperm maturation. What is sperm maturation? In the sperm maturation, there is no morphological or structural changes to any complex extent, but there is just removal of seminal proteins and glycoprotein coat that is removed from the structure of sperm. This is sperm, this is neck, this is tail. So here is acrosome. Above acrosome there is a layer of glycoprotein coat, and there are seminal proteins which are for their protection, to make them protected from the enzymes or pH in the male genital tract. When it is released in the ejaculated in the female genital organs, vagina, then into the uterus, the vaginal fluid is very important for the maturation of sperm. So the mature sperm is called the capacitated sperm. Capacitated sperm is more likely to be involved in the fertilization. So in female genitalia, fertilization occur in uterus or uterine tubes. But you know that if fertilization is to be made in vitro outside the female genital structures, then the sperm is made to be placed in certain mediums for several hours. In female, the time is usually 7 hours. Then the mature sperm, that is a capacitated sperm, it undergoes acrosome reaction. Means the acrosome after capacitation, removal of glycoproteins coat and the seminal proteins, the acrosome binds with the ZP3 proteins of the zona pellucida, and this is going to be done the acrosome reaction. ZP3 proteins of zona pellucida. Zona pellucida, where is it is present? It is present around the egg in the female uterine tube. So we will see further the phases of fertilization in detail, inshallah.